Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this smartphone. First of all, you need to install your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In Settings, click on Apps and Notifications. Then select Default Apps and click on one of those sections. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, just tap on your downloaded one that you wish to apply, like Firefox. So when I click and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!